Hey guys, so it's another Monday with another random vlog. I'm driving, and I'm also stuck behind a train. So yeah, just a little update while I wait. You know what I hate? I don't have something that rhymes. Oh well. Once this train moves, I'm actually going to be on my way over to Steve's. Don't know if we're going to make a video, to be honest, because it's after 8 o'clock p.m. I got to be up early tomorrow for my job. I also have to work on getting a second job. So, yeah. Trains are too long in the suburbs. When they pass through a suburb, they're fucking long as hell. I know Steve's gonna hate me because he loves trains. It's one of his hobbies. Like, seriously. He used to work on a train. I think he's supposed to go back. Steve, aren't you supposed to go back? Yeah, something like that. So yeah, I promised myself I would upload every Monday, so I'm gonna do this. Alright, bye people.